Hello, this is chapter 18 of my online course, Mastering Personal Finance. How to stop spending money. Control spending habits using these tips. Number one, take only the cash you need. Are you heading to the grocery store for your weekly shopping? Are you heading out to the mall to grab lunch with a friend? Based on your budget, only take the cash you need. If you have budgeted $100 for groceries, hit up the ATM and get $100 cash out. Throw the $100 in your wallet and leave your credit and debit cards home. Think about sales differently. I only buy things if they are on sale. Have you said that before? As a financial coach, I hear it all the time. Let me help you think about sales in a different way. It doesn't matter if something is on sale or 75% off. It is still 25% if it is not budgeted for. If it is not budgeted for, there's an extra expense. Understand the consequences. If you follow the steps for creating a budget, you will stick with, you will find the overspending has consequences. Many of your financial goals will go unmet. Your definition of financial freedom will never be reached. Your plan to eliminate debt will never get accomplished. If you understand the consequences of bad spending habits, you can stop spending money on the things that don't matter and start focusing on the things that do. Visualize the price. Once you create some financial goals, please put them in a prominent place so you must look at them daily. This will continually remind you why you are cutting back on expenses and sacrificing some problematic things. Sleep on it. If you want to purchase think about it before pulling the trigger. Please put the item back and return it only after you have had time to let it sink in. Some people suggest 24 hours, while others suggest over 30 days if it is more than a certain amount. Shop with a list. What happens when you go to the grocery store midweek because you run out of milk? Do you come out with chicken, macaroni, and cheese grapes on sale? And several other items. You may still need to remember the milk. When you go shopping without a game plan, it is straightforward to go crazy. You must start shopping with a list if that sounds like your life. The list will help you stop spending on things you don't need. Borrow or trade. If you need something for a second occasion or will use it only once, consider borrowing that item or trading something you no longer need with someone who has what you want. Know your weaknesses and avoid them. When you go to the mall, do you always spend way more than anticipated? Maybe you went to meet a friend for a smoothie but ended up buying some shoes, a lovely new jacket, a soft pretzel, and an ice cream cone. And to top it off, you had your eyebrows threaded. That is not what you went there for. Budget proactively. This next tip comes with a waiting period. As I write this, January 2021, the following app program bank is still being tested. But when it is available to the masses, I think it will help many people, maybe even you. Before I mention the app, I want to point out my mission. This is to let you know that this company did not pay me to talk about them. And I do not make any money if you click on a link to their website. Your bad spending habits won't change overnight. Remember that. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you. Bye for now.